Hey guys, welcome back. It's Julia. And today I am going to be doing a little Sunday reset vlog. It's currently 11 a.m. now. I took the morning to just kind of relax and chill, but now it's really time to start cleaning and preparing myself for the week ahead. Also, just wanted to acknowledge the fact that I haven't posted on this channel in a while, but now I have a full-time job, I moved out, I have an apartment with my boyfriend, and I really wanted to start creating content again. I've been posting a lot on my TikTok and Instagram, so make sure to follow me there, but I also wanted to really get back into YouTube because I still love watching YouTube videos and long-form content. So if you guys are new or you've seen my videos 7 years ago, let me know in the comments, and if there's anything else you guys want to see. But without further ado, let's start our Sunday reset. This is one of my favorite type of outfits to wear on a Sunday, is a cute sweatsuit, so I'm comfortable, but I still look good and feel motivated to get up and do things. If you can't tell, sweatsuit is from Gap. I'm also wearing a Gap tank top underneath, actually. And then I have these little headbands. I got a big pack from Amazon. It's my little cozy Sunday fit. So I'm gonna start my kitchen first. I feel like it's a smaller area and kind of easier to tackle, and I'm gonna start with taking out the dishes and putting some dirty ones away. So now that my kitchen is looking all good, it's time to tackle the living room, which really is not too bad, but I will say I always like to save vacuuming towards the very end because I know as I'm like dusting and cleaning off things, I'll get more stuff inevitably on the rug, so I'd rather just kind of wait till the end. So now I'm just gonna pick up dust and kind of wipe some surfaces. Painting up here for about a week, and last night 3 a.m. we both woke up because we heard a loud like crash of something, but I was too tired, didn't want to get up and figure out what it was, so my boyfriend went to check and our painting fell to the ground. Everything obviously is fine, but we just need to reinforce it a little bit. So we're doing command strips, but we're just gonna do more than we did last time and hopefully get this to stay. better than what we had before because it was like slightly off-centered, and you can, I mean, it's from the sides, but you can't totally tell. But it looks good. All right, things are looking good. So I'm not gonna lie, I did just like rot on my bed scrolling on my phone for like probably an hour. I still have plenty of time, but I was hoping to like be done with this by now, but it's fine. So let's make the bed. Office today because I work from home on Mondays, so I usually kind of tidy up anything I need to then, but it's looking pretty good. So now I'm gonna vacuum bedroom and living room, and then I'm gonna tackle the bathroom, which is my least favorite. That's why I saved it for last.
Yeah.
I know we're all thinking it, but yes, my bathroom is blue. It's either this or pink though. Now I am going to use, I have a different cleaner I use for the bathroom. I don't know, using the same scent and thing to clean my kitchen and bathroom just seems weird. So this is like my bathroom cleaner. Okay, so it's now 4 o'clock. It's a little bit later, and I still have to go get groceries, and I did want to steam clean, which realistically I could do that now. I also haven't left the house yet, and I feel like I want to leave before it gets too dark outside. Also, it is January 12th, and it actually snowed yesterday. I am wearing a tank top, but I just get like so hot, like moving around and cleaning and scrubbing. Like I took my jacket off and I've just like been chilling. Guys, so I am actually heading to meet my boyfriend at the grocery store now. He was hanging out with some friends and he was on his way back, so we are gonna meet up. We're going to Stop and Shop first, and then our next stop is Trader Joe's. I actually do have a lot to get today at Trader Joe's now, but why is every single Trader Joe's parking lot like an absolute nightmare? It's just always so busy, and it's like the tightest parking lot, and it's so hard to like get in and out. But I love Trader Joe's. I will come no matter what.
Oh.
Hey guys, so I'm editing this video now, and I realized I never properly ended it. So that was my Sunday reset. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other videos you want to see from me, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.